In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up your document in Adobe Photoshop, ready for the beauty retouching course. Hello and welcome to Inspiration Clan. We're going to be setting up our document ready for the beauty retouching course. So I'm going to jump straight into Photoshop and I'm just going to click on Create New. We want to open an A4 document, so you will see A4 here if you use it as a preset before. If not, you can come over to Print and it may be here in the top 4, or you may have to click View All Presets to see the A4 document. So I'm going to click A4 and then you can see the resolution over here is 300. You want to make sure that that is 300 and then you just want to click on Create. That will create our document, however it's the wrong orientation. This is portrait and we want our document to be landscape. So I'm going to come up to Image in the main menu and I'm going to come to Image Rotation and I want to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. That puts our canvas landscape, which is perfect for what we need. Next, we are going to place our image into the canvas. So we're going to come up to File and Place Embedded, and we're just going to click on our stock image. You can download this stock image below this video. So double click on the stock image and that will place it into our scene. As you can see, it's a little bit too small for the canvas, so we just want to increase the size of the image. So we're going to click on this corner and we're going to drag, and we want to hold down Shift on your keyboard to constrain the proportions. And then you just want to click on your image and place it on the canvas roughly in the middle, so our face is in the middle of the canvas there. That's looking good. I'm just going to hit Enter to confirm the placement. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this image. The reason why we do that is so we have two versions of the image. We have an original version and then we have the version that we can edit. I like to do this so that you can always revisit the original image within your working file. So I'm going to come over here to the layers panel. I'm going to click on the layer and I'm just going to click and drag that down to the new layer icon. And you can see now we have a second layer created. You can see that when we placed our image, it placed the image as a smart object. So as it's a smart object, we just want to right click on this top layer and we want to rasterize layer. Now it's just a pixel layer. We're also going to retouch this and we're going to call it original. And there you go. So now we're all set up, we're all ready for the rest of the course. That is how you set up the document. It's a good practice to duplicate your original image. Perfect. I will see you in the next lesson where we will start the retouching process. Thank you for learning with Inspiration Clan. I hope you enjoyed this video. To view the full course, visit our website inspirationclan.com. The link is in the description. For more free tutorials, like and subscribe.